In Unit 6, Lesson 2, Investigation 3, they introduced something called radians. We're used to a measurement of degrees. So like a circle, if you start here, you could go up here and say I'm at 90 degrees, or 180 degrees, or 270 degrees, or 360 degrees. But Trig wants us to introduce something called radians. So in class, you probably took some string, and if you were to measure how far it is from the center to the edge of the circle, we call that a radius. That is not just randomly named because it matches kind of the word radian. Well, you took that string, let's say this is 3 inches or something. When you go around a circle, there's going to be, however long that string was, you could fit one of those lengths, let's say it's about there. So we could call this the length x. This is technically a radian. It's basically the length of one radius of your circle, and one radian would fit that far around. Now in class, you probably kept going. Okay, so you could get another radian here. We'll say I'm roughly estimating there. And then another one here. Another one here. And again, my estimations are off. My circle looks a little ovalish too. Sorry about that. A little bit more. Okay. So you should have found, even though those aren't evenly spaced, the radius should match on all those if you were actually measuring them, that there are 3 radius lengths and a little bit more that fit in half of a circle. So what that means, and believe it or not, we said 3 and a little bit more. The magic number is actually the little bit more, 1.14. That's weird. Okay, that's about pi, and that's about 180 degrees. So this will be a conversion we're going to use. There are 3.14 radius lengths in 180 degrees. Now, of course, 3.14 is a special number called pi, and it's not perfect. But if you went all the way around then, you could say like 6.28, roughly, would be 2 pi, which is going to be about 360. We will use these conversions a lot. But I wanted you to know what a radian measured. It is the length of the radius, how many times, like one length of the radius would be a radian. So this little segment here would be 1 radian. And of course, there's almost a little over 6 radians in the circumference of a circle.